I'm Scott from Roncato Light, and today I'm excited to show you a collection that redefines effortless, compact travel. This is the Light collection. The first thing you should know about Light is that its primary components are entirely designed and produced in Italy. It's a collection that embodies Italian craftsmanship and technological innovation. When we set out to design and manufacture Light, our goal was simple: to build luggage that's extremely lightweight while also being extraordinarily spacious. And finally, to reinforce values of sustainability and ecological responsibility. All of this without sacrificing strength or security. And we're proud to say that we've done exactly that. Light is especially designed for travelers who prefer secure closure systems over traditional zippers. So instead of relying on zips, it uses a robust 3-point locking system that offers maximum protection and peace of mind. It's a minimalist, streamlined collection developed to satisfy the needs of every type of traveler, from business professionals to families and adventurers alike. So let's talk about the material. Light is made from polypropylene, a high-performance engineered thermoplastic that's not only incredibly strong and flexible, but also 100% recyclable. This means that your suitcase is both built to last and designed with sustainability in mind. And at Roncato, sustainability isn't just a buzzword, as unfortunately here in a lot of other companies. Our production and assembly processes are optimized right from the design stage to minimize CO2 emissions, keeping our environmental impact as low as possible. And the result of all of this is a collection that's truly lightweight. The cabin-size spinner weighs less than 3 kilos, making it incredibly easy to lift into overhead compartments or carry through airports. Even our larger sizes are impressively lightweight, so you can pack more without worrying about airline weight limits. Despite being so incredibly lightweight, Light offers impressive capacity. Its clever shell design and squared shape mean you get maximum usable space inside, so you can pack everything you need, whether it's for a weekend escape or long-haul adventure. Even the cabin-size model holds plenty without putting you over airline weight limits. But it's not enough that Light is eco-friendly, lightweight, and durable. It's packed with smart features for real-life travel. One of the standout elements is the 3-point locking system. Instead of a single zipper closure, Light secures your belongings with 3 robust locks, providing excellent protection against impact, pressure, and tampering. It's a feature that gives you genuine peace of mind, especially when checking your bag on long-haul flights. And since we're talking about protection, the shell itself has a special net structure. This internal grid pattern reinforces that engineered polypropylene, helping absorb impacts and reducing the chance of dents or cracks, all without adding much to the overall weight. Another great advantage of Light is its interior. Unlike many other suitcases, Light has no internal lining, which makes the inside shell extremely easy to clean. It's practical for carrying any kind of items, even if you're traveling with objects that might spill or leave residues. Inside, we've made sure every detail helps keep you organized. You'll find elastic cross straps to secure your clothes, a zippered divider that helps separate clean and used items, and dedicated laundry pockets to keep smaller pieces sorted and tidy. The entire collection is available in a range of colors and sizes, ensuring there's a Light case to fit every kind of trip. Plus, Light is backed by a 10-year global warranty covering manufacturing defects, so you can travel with confidence knowing your luggage was built to last. Light glides smoothly thanks to 4 double swiveling wheels that have been engineered for silent rolling and excellent maneuverability, even through tight airport spaces. The telescopic handle is comfortable to grip and built to withstand frequent travels. In addition to the small, medium, and large spinner, the Light collection also has the semi-rigid travel kit with the same unique closure system, which is capable of holding anything that you might need during your travels. So, if you're searching for luggage that's lightweight, secure, sustainable, and big on space, light is for you, because traveling light shouldn't mean leaving anything behind.